Want to learn how to make your own custom candles? Let's start with cutting big paraffin wax chunks. Place your pan on the stove, drop the wax in, and let it heat up over low to medium heat. While that melts, let's prepare our first silicone mold for a beautiful taper candle. Measure out your pure cotton thread, cut it to size, and place it right inside the mold. By now, our wax is completely liquefied. Carefully remove it from the heat and pour it into a glass beaker for easy pouring. Now, gently pour the liquid wax into the mold. Pro tip: use an ice cream stick across the top to keep your thread perfectly centered while it sets. Fill it right to the top and set it aside upright to cool down and solidify. Let's repeat the process. While our next batch of wax is melting down, we're going to prep a completely different shape. This time, we're using a cuboid mold. Make a tiny hole at the bottom of the mold and pull the thread through. This keeps the wick standing perfectly upright, so your candle burns beautifully later on. Once your wax is liquid, pour it into the beaker and add your color. We are using a gorgeous green today. Stir it well before it starts to cool down. Pour the vibrant green wax into the mold to give it that sleek, geometric shape. Keep experimenting with different shapes, sizes, and colors to build your collection. And just like that, our custom aesthetic candles are done and ready to light up any room. Which shape are you making first?